All right, this is our topic 8.5 example 1 try it problem. It says, what is the circumference of the rim of a basketball hoop with the radius of 9 inches? So we learned in the example 1 problem that circumference is going to be equal to my diameter times pi, or the circumference is equal to 2 times the radius times pi. Because if I double the radius, I get the diameter. So now this problem is giving us kind of steps of what we can start doing in order to figure this problem out. It says first multiply the radius by blank in order to get the diameter. So we're multiplying our radius by 2. The diameter is twice the length of the radius. First multiply the radius by 2 to get the diameter blank inches. If I multiply 9 by 2, I get 18 as my diameter. And then multiply the diameter by 3.14, an approximation for pi, to get the circumference of about blank inches. So if I go my diameter, right, the circumference is equal to the diameter times pi. If I put my diameter in, C is equal to 18 times pi, and they asked us to use 3.14 as pi. I end up with my circumference being about 56.52 inches. Now I used 3.14 because the problem asked me to. However, if I'm using a calculator and I actually plug in pi to my calculator, C equals diameter times pi, C equals 18 times pi, C is going to be equal to 56.55 inches. So this is a different number, right, than what you're getting if you're just multiplying by 3.14. Now this problem specified that we should be using 3.14. It asked us to. However, if I have multiple steps and I'm finding circumference or diameter or something of multiple pieces of a problem, I want to make sure to use pi, the actual pi button on a calculator, as often as possible, because these two right here are about 0.03 away. And that difference is going to get larger and larger as our numbers get larger and larger. So if I include numbers that are just slightly off, a bunch of different numbers that are slightly off, my final answer is going to be more and more incorrect. So you want to use the pi button in your calculator as often as possible, this one right here, okay? But for this problem, because it's specified to use 3.14, 56.52 inches is just fine.